The daily code snippet. Finally, there are instances where you might want a link to open onto a new page or tab. In this case, you need to add another attribute called target. The value for target to open a new tab when a link is clicked is _blank. You would use target equals _blank when you want to give an option to the user to click on a link, but you would rather that they not navigate away from your web page. By using the target attribute, a new tab will open up with the content of the link, but your web page remains open so that the user can look at the link content but still have the original web page content available to them. The default for links is that the current web page will navigate to the link content when clicked. The convention for using target blank for a link is as follows. A opening tag href equals https://www.newwebpage.com in quotation marks, target equals _blank in quotation marks, go to a new web page, a closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.